Say cheese.
Cheese. Cheese. Hayden, cheese.
Okay, sit on the couch and go back and forth with your sister. Oh, watch out.
Mind not walking on your sister, please?
She's a nanny for
I'm on an investigation.
For what?
A murder in Pittsburgh.
What are you doing?
Mr. Black,
A man has enemies. No matter if he wants them to make
No picture.
I find your
You got to sit down there with sister.
your story as well.
No, I'm daddy.
Lucy is our child. He has Lucy to thank for this. My wife
Sit down and put your back on the pillow.
is quite guilty for
Sit down.
I am not the only person as far as this.
Sit all the way down. Show your sister how to do that, remember?
Your lawyer gave a statement about his attack.
He was attacked by vicious dogs. Vicious dogs got onto the property.
I went down to the hospital before I came here.
What is she doing? Millie.
I never got a chance to talk to the man.
But I was thinking,
Yeah. She trying to get down? Yay! Say cheese. Watch out, Hayden.
Take a picture. Let's go. Let's go, Mommy. Let's go.
I'm watching you, honey.
Let's go, Mommy.
Amelia, say cheese.
Let's go, Mommy.
Watch. Watch. Say cheese.
You did everything that's
I want her to do it.
Antipas.
You gonna drink all of that?
Saint Pierre.
Let's go, Mommy.
Did you just watch
Let's go.
Go, Hayden, go. Go, Hayden, go.
How would you know that?
Go.
You go on inside, okay? You tell your mommy and daddy not to worry.
Sister, say cheese. She did it. Hey, say cheese. Cheese.
They know enough to worry.
Say cheese.
She's very jealous of
She's like, you're stupid.
you.
What? Cheese.
She
What?
likes it.
Cheese.
He wants
What's
it.
wrong? What, honey? Oh. You want me to lift you up? Ready? Go up.
I'm okay.
You're okay?